Welcome to my channel. Today's video is about us harvesting our honey. It's the beginning of summer here and the spring honey is ready to be harvested. It's nicely kept and yeah, it's ready for us to take out. So this is what we will be doing today. And in there I'm just scraping off the propolis from the top of that box, just cleaning it. Really that's what I'm doing there. And there is the kept honey. Yeah, my ladies, the bees they've done a good job. Yeah, it's nice and it's ready. And I'm just brushing off the bees and then putting it in another box to be taken away. Just taking out all the bees. This is what it is. Kept the honey. And I realized later when I had finished removing the frames that what I did there was actually, yeah, it was a lot of work and also a slow way of doing things. And I'm thinking that next year I have to do this better, because brushing off the bees one frame at a time is just a lot of work and it takes too long. What I should have done rather would have just been to just lift up the whole super and take it away. And that was a beekeeping mistake that I made there. But I guess we learn as we go, and I will need to correct that going forward. And this year it looks like we got more honey than we received last time, than we got last time. Yeah, we got more honey. This is a 10 frame super, and yeah, all the frames are kept, everything is kept. And it seemed that we've had a spell of bad weather where it was raining for I think about 4 days in a row, and I found some of the kept honey with the cappings removed, and that made me suspect that maybe the bees had started actually using that honey because they couldn't go out to forage. It seemed like they had. I hope it is what I think it is, because that's what I saw, that some of the honey was unkept, and I thought that it must have been the bees that would have tried to eat that honey. But all in all, it's not really a bad harvest. It is a good harvest. Yeah, if I had just removed the super, this would have taken just a few seconds really, but it really took a long time. And I don't know why I actually decided to do it that way. But I guess maybe I didn't give it a lot of thought. I just thought that I would remove the frames, but yeah, this wasn't such a good idea really. It wasn't. And as soon as I had finished taking out those frames, a lot of bees came, and I think those were robin bees that came, because we noticed that like a large amount of bees came. And when they had done that, they came just towards where that hive is. And then they then gathered there on that tree, which is just on top of the hive. So I don't know if this was robbing or if it was, I don't know what it was, but they came in there. They didn't stay for long. They came, they stayed on that branch And then later on they left. So I don't know. But I thought, initially we thought that they were robbing bees because it was a lot of bees. And I had to stop what I was doing because I had done one hive and I was going on to the next one. I had to stop just to try and understand what was going on. But then after that, they then left. So I don't know if that was really a swarm. And then later on in the evening, because it's preferable also to do your extraction. Yeah, some people do it in the evening, or they have a dedicated room that where you can close all the windows and the doors. But we don't have a dedicated room, so we use our kitchen. So that's why we had to do it in the evening, and we had to close all the windows. And yeah, so in there I'm keeping the honey, and I'm thinking that I think I still need to learn how to use this knife, because I don't think I was doing a good job there. So I was just opening up the honey, and then there is all unkept, and then we put it into an extractor. Our extractor is it takes 2 brood frames and 4 super frames. So if you have a lot of honey to extract, then it will take a time, because you can only do 2 brood or 4 super frames, which really take time. And we also have, and this also is our extractor is a manual extractor. It's very labor intensive. And yeah, my husband had to do this because it really needs strong arms to operate that thing. It is a lot of work, really. And also next year, I think my uncapping method there, I will need to change that. I need to get the uncapping frame scraper holder. It's something where you put the frame onto, and the frame does not keep on like moving, because if you could see each time the frame would like slip, and yeah. So I think next time I need to make sure that I've got that. I need to buy that. That will help me. At least it will keep the frame stationary as I uncap the honey. Just making sure that all the cells are open so that the honey can come out. I think later on my husband pointed out that I needed to do that from the top, because doing it from the bottom was actually proving to be hard. And when I did that, it actually made a difference. It was much easier. Something to remember next year, that I need to run that uncapping knife from the top going down, not what I was doing there from the bottom going up. So next year I will need to correct that. And after all the frames were in there, it was time to spin the frames. That process actually removes the honey from the cells, and then it collects in the tank. And also because this is a manual extractor, yeah, my husband had to do that because yeah, it is a lot of work. So he had to run the extractor inside. And as he's doing that, the frames inside are spinning. Yeah, as they spin, the honey then comes out. And there is the honey. The little bit of honey is, yeah, has come out. We will not open that honey gate until at least the honey has accumulated in there, and then we will then open it. And there is the honey. So yeah, I just opened there, and then from there it goes through a double sieve, which then removes all the wax cappings and some of the pollen. And there it is, liquid gold. This is what our bees have done. They've done really a good job. Yeah, they have done a good job. And to say that, some people say that it takes a bee its lifetime to collect a teaspoon of honey. It makes you wonder how many bees, yeah, how many bees actually collected this honey. It is a lot. They actually do a wonderful job. So yeah, there is the honey in the double sieve. So we'll wait for all that to strain through, and then I will open it again. And there is the honey. I forgot to take a video when this was still in the house. This was actually in the car, and I should have taken it when it was in the house, but I didn't. So that is what we got. And we are so thankful really for the harvest. Thankful to God, and also thankful to the bees for what they gave us. There it is, beautiful honey, beautiful honey. And thank you so much for watching. And if you like and enjoy what you are seeing on this channel, please consider subscribing as well as commenting and liking. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye.